For questions 17 through 19, we're doing the same thing, except for our series are no longer in sigma notation. They're actually just expanding them out. So my first term is 1. My r is negative 1/3. So each time I'm multiplying the denominator by 3, and I'm also alternating my sign here. So I need to have a negative here. Okay, so negative 1/3 is between negative 1 and positive 1. So this is convergent. And then to see the value that it converges to, we need to plug in the numbers into the formula. And that will be 3/4. So kind of a nice way to check your work is if you just add up these terms here, you should see that it's a number that's kind of close to 3/4. So if I take 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/9 minus 1/27, I get 0.74, which is pretty close to 3/4. So this is accurate. Number 18, my A1 is 1. My R is 1/4. So 1/4 is between negative 1 and 1. So the series does converge. So it converges to a value, and I can find that value by plugging in the numbers into our formula, and we get 4/3. Lastly, number 19, my first term is 2, my r is 4, and 4 is bigger than 1. So this is not going to converge to a value, this is going to diverge. So this is divergent.